Okay, so hello and welcome back to another video on Discord bots. In this one, I'm going to be showing you how to get your bot to join and leave voice channels, as well as doing some other little fun commands. And in the next video, I'll go on to doing roles. Anyway, so for this video, the first thing we need to do is we need to make more commands for, join, leave, and whatever else. So first of all, we are going to create a new folder. So let's copy and paste this. And instead of simple, we're going to have another category for the music stuff. So we'll call it music. That's simple enough. And all we need to do is make a new folder here. Whoops, that's a file. Oopsie daisy. Okay, make a new folder called music. And then we'll create a new file, join channel.js. Whoops, I put a comma. .js. Okay, let's take the coin flip and let's put it in here, and let's change it to join channel command. We'll call it join, and it's in the music thing, and then we'll say it. What does it do? It joins the channel, the voice channel of the commander. The actual thing is going to do nothing as of yet, and then it's going to export this. So now what we want to do is we could write message.member .voice channel.join. That's the way you would join a channel. The thing is, there's going to be errors of this, because what if I'm not in a channel? It's going to crash the program basically. So the first thing we want to say, we want to check, if if message.member.voice channel, so basically if the person who sent the message is in a voice channel, then continue. And then after that, we also need to say if message.guild, so this guild is the server you sent it in. If our bot is in multiple people's servers, we want to make sure we're on about the right one. So if the guild.voice message.guild.voice connection, if that's true, then we continue, and then this is where we run the code. So obviously we're going to join it, and then after we've joined it, that's nice and all, we could just continue, but it's also nice to have a response message once it's joined. And if we just did a thing on the next line to print, that's going to get run after this line, but before it's joined, because keep in mind, when a bot's going to join a server, it might take a while to connect. So one handy thing you can do here is you can do dot then, which basically means the code in these brackets are going to wait to be run until the bot has successfully joined. So if it takes 10 seconds to join, it's going to take 10 seconds before this gets called. So after this, we can then write connection, and then we can just say message.reply, and we can write successfully joined. And then down here we can say like else. So like if the person isn't in a voice channel, if they aren't in a voice channel, we can say message.reply, you must be in a voice channel to summon me. And then if they're in a voice channel, I need to put an exclamation mark there, because this is saying if it's in a voice channel, then join one. When you say if it's not in a voice channel, then join one. That should be good enough. Now, one more thing you need to do is I've already done it, so I'll just show you what to put in. When you use voice, because it's a bot and not an actual person, you need to install some more libraries. I'll go into that in the music video, but for now, all you need to know is you got to install this npm install ffmpeg binaries, and you also need to install install Opus script. There you go, which is an encoder for audio. And then now if we just do node dot and hope, please hope. Let's try and do join. You must be in a voice channel, summon me. Let's join one. Join. And there we go, it's successfully joined. It's joined with us. There we are. Now I haven't made a way for it to leave, so we're just going to close the bot and we're going to go create the leave command now. So to leave the channel, what we're going to create, we're basically just going to create another file in here called leave channel.js, and we're going to take the join channel and we're going to copy and paste it because it's so much faster. So instead of, we basically want to replace join with leave in most places. So the command can be leave. We're going to say it doesn't join, it doesn't, instead of joins the voice channel, and say leaves the voice channel. And we'll say successfully left. Well, I don't know if this will actually work for the sake of leaving, so we'll just ignore that. So what we can do is, let's just rewrite this, I think, because it's a little bit different for leaving channels. Because you need to be in a channel for it to leave, and also it needs to be in a channel for it to leave, and you don't want to get any errors or crashes. So when you try and stop it, basically you want to say, well, first of all, is the message.guild.voice voice connection. That's basically saying, you know, is the bot in a voice channel first before you try and leave any. You want to say, well, is it even in one? And then you want to say, well, if it is, we want to say message.guild.voice connection dot disconnect. Whoops, disconnect. We also want to spell this right. That would help. Message. I want to say else down here, like, you know. So if the bot isn't in a voice thing, you say like message.reply. You must be in a voice channel. No, sorry. It's like I must be in a voice. I can't type. Voice channel to be banished. And then we could try that because I feel like I've done everything. If I've missed anything, then oopsie daisy. Join channel command. Yeah, because I didn't change this. Leave channel command. Node. Ready? Let's see if it works. So we'll try again, you know. Join. He must be in a voice channel. Alright. Join. Here he is. And we'll leave. And there he goes. Now watch this. If I do join, he's back again. If I then leave and tell him to leave, that actually does work. Sorry. I was expecting that not to work. That works because I've just said, you know, if he's in a channel, then he's going to leave it. You, in yours, might want it to be, you can only make it leave if I'm in the channel with the bot. And the way you would do that, I'm not going to bother, but the way you would do it is you would check when leaving, you know, is the channel you're in equal to the channel that they're in? If so, do it. So that's how you would do that if you wanted to. So that's working. And that's basically the bulk of the video. That's setting you up for the, that's setting you up for the, sorry, my brain's going slow. That's setting you up for doing the music bot. We're also going to do one other thing, which is going to be fun. So we'll just make another simple command in here, just for the sake of it. If you want to hang around and do this, we'll call it I don't know, fun mirror.js. This is just stupid. It's a stupid command, you know, just one of those random ones you might add for no reason. Yeah, fun mirror command. Obviously the name's going to be fun mirror. You can't actually have capitals in your thing. I don't know if you can have spaces. If you have spaces, they get treated as parameters, I think, so I wouldn't bother. Maybe you can do underscore. I'll just do underscores. Fun mirror. There we go. And we can just say looks at your reflection in a mirror. Don't know why I'm doing this, to be honest. And then down here we can simply just say message.reply message.author.avatar URL, and then down here we'll say fun mirror command. Now, assuming that I've not rushed that too fast, node dot and I'll go in here, and then here's the bot, and I'll just say fun mirror. There you go. It just puts a picture of your profile icon. You know, why not? Just a fun little command you can have in your server if you wanted to. It works for everyone, obviously. You know, why not? So anyway, that's this video. Maybe you might not have found this as useful as the other ones, because having it join and leave isn't useful until you make it do things. But rather than having a really long video on the voice channel one, I thought I'd split that up, so I have it mainly in this. And then I obviously added a little fun thing at the end you can add to your bot. You should be able to take away most of the stuff I show you in here and add it to your own stuff. And also, to be honest, if you really want, you can actually, well, yeah, on the main discord.js website, you can just look on the documentation and find like everything you would ever need on here. Everything you can do in the libraries on here. So you want to look on here, that would help. Obviously it says here about the installing Opus script and whatever, in case you need to. On voice, it also runs down, like, you know, it explains everything. So if you want to have a go and have a read of that, I'll link it in the description. I might have already done it in my old videos, I can't remember. But anyway, so if you like the video and you want to see more Discord bot tutorials, I'm going to keep them coming every few days. So, you know, obviously like and subscribe to show me the support for this series, so that I know that people want to see it, which so far seems like they do. Yeah, so if you haven't already, join our Discord server. That would be, you know, beneficial to everyone. We, you know, ask questions, give feedback on other people's work and games, and, you know, advice with code and helping each other out. So it's a good community to join, and obviously the more the merrier. So there's that, and I've mentioned everything else. Obviously, supporting me by liking and subscribing, that's all you need to do, would mean a lot to me. So yeah, I've got nothing more else to say. You know, look forward to the next videos. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.